As a recruiter for Pacific Dental Services, when I come upon a resume that has Altrain Dental Assisting School on it and they are certified, it makes my heart full because I know they were in good hands and have good training and they will be set to go for their career paths in the office. Hi, my name is Lauren Haney. I am a regional recruiter for Pacific Dental Services. I started my dental career going to Altrain Dental Assisting School. I loved the program. It was hands-on in a 13-week course and it was affordable. Those were my 3 reasons for choosing the school. I think the hands-on experience was better for me because I don't like reading books that much, so having that interaction and learning hands-on was important. For the 13 weeks, that was important because I was looking to jump into my career because I was at a turning point of what I want to do with my life. The choice to do an externship, that helped me build my confidence when I went out into the field. When I was in my externship, I built my confidence by working with actual patients and practicing x-rays. From there, I found my first job opportunity at a private practice out in Scottsdale. Once I graduated Altrain School, the staff was very helpful in helping me build my resume and my cover letter. They helped me find job placement as well as find my office to do my externship at. That is when I landed a front office position with Pacific Dental Services. From there, I have grown in my career. I started out as a front office benefits coordinator and shortly was promoted to a specialty benefits coordinator, to an operations manager of an orthodontic and pediatric office, as well as a endo and oral surgery office. I was very thankful to have found placement with them. And I'm very thankful that Altrain set me up for success to be in an organization and succeed in their organization. Altrain is very hands-on, which I'm a hands-on learner, so I learn better by doing, not just reading, and I think that's important when going out into the field because your patients aren't books, they're real people.